everybody, it's your boy Real. Today I'll be going with you over how to dance the Gwara Gwara. Now without further ado, let us begin. Now the first step that you need to know is you need to hold your legs apart like this. Then you need to move your right leg. It can be your right or left depending on your level of comfortability. But I'm a right leg person, so I'm gonna start with the right. So the first step that we're really gonna do is hold your upper body still and let's focus on the lower body. So it's what we're gonna do. Just a step like that. So it's kind of like you're stepping in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. That's the first step. Then the second step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna focus on our hand movement. So our hand movement will go kind of coordinating with your leg here. So as you step in and out, you're gonna move your hand and go with it like that. So then it's sort of a motion where your leg is moving with the hand, you know. So this hand can either be positioned here for beginners, but initially when you get comfortable you can move it around. But for beginning purposes you can just hold it here just to give yourself some room or some level of flexibility, you know. So then you're moving like that, you're moving like that. That's the second step. Alright, so the third step, we're really gonna incorporate our shoulder. So the shoulder kind of has to have a high level of flexibility as well. So my legs are apart, that is the first move. I'm moving my leg and my arm. Right now, I'm leaving my hand here to give me some position, just to make it look good. And I'm moving my shoulders. Now as you can tell, automatically my chest area is moving, like my upper body is moving. Just by me moving my leg and my hand, my upper body is moving. So with that, you don't really need to control this. But the best you can do in order for it to look very good, just try to move it quite a bit for it to have kind of a very good movement, for it to have like a twist to it. So then, since it's already automatic, I can just emphasize a little bit. So emphasize it, you know. So I kind of push my chest left and right, left and right, left and right. And that's how I do it, you know. Left and right with my hand over here, just like that. Now. Let's go over all the steps that I just talked about. First, move your leg. Second, move your arm with it. Move your arm with it. Move your arm with it. Incorporate the shoulder. Incorporate the shoulder. Then third, focus on the chest area as well. So then it's gonna be like that. As simple as that. Now it needs a lot of practice, but again, you're gonna notice that once your legs are more apart, your Gwara Gwara is gonna look more vigorous. And when your legs are close together, it's going to look more smooth. So depending on what you really want to do, that's up to you. But I'm going to show you a few examples. So if something that I may use a lot of energy, I'll put my legs wide apart and I'll do something like that, you know. So as you guys can see, definitely using a lot of energy, looks more vigorous. And if I want it to look a little smooth, my legs will be close to each other and I'll do something like that. You know? So it depends on the occasion, if you really want a lot of energy or if you're just showing someone how to do it. But sometimes it's just do a smooth move, just, you know, not to sweat a lot, just to make it look a little relaxed. So it's all the same thing, but depending on what you want to do. Now, let's go over all the steps and let's do this Gwara Gwara. Now, as you can tell, I'm kind of comfortable with it. So I'm able to move my arms a little bit. You can also do a couple of different styles with it that you really want to do. As you saw me, you know, you can move your arms like this. You can go. You can even hold your arms still. And even slow it down a little bit, you know. Some slow motion, add some spices in it, you know. So yeah, that's how you do the Gwara Gwara. Needs a lot of practice, dance that really needs a lot of energy, but with a lot of practice you can do it. I started learning it like a few months ago and I think I'm comfortable with it right now. So with that, make sure you check my other video that I'm gonna put the link down in the description below on dancing the Gwara Gwara. I'll put the link down there, and any other videos, let me know. As you guys can tell, I'm already tired. I'm kind of, you know, close out of breath. So yeah, it's really a nice dance. It's from my southern part of Africa. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys think and have a nice day. Keep it real.